OpenView Education provides innovative, theatre-based internet safety training for your whole school community. We provide training for students, parents and professionals who work with young people. For primary schools, your day can begin with an internet safety performance for your whole school. We then deliver internet safety workshops, allowing us to focus on the specific topics most relevant to each year group. Our workshops are well differentiated, up-to-date, positive and age-appropriate. For secondary schools, we provide interactive internet safety training for whole year groups, which can be part of your drop-down day. We also offer sessions for parents and carers, equipping them with the most up-to-date internet safety information, along with practical strategies for keeping young people safe online. Finally, our teacher training sessions will give your team the tools, knowledge and resources they need to embed a progressive and up-to-date approach to internet safety across your whole school. Get in touch today and a member of our team will help you find the perfect arrangements for your school.